Welcome everyone to Merced Adult School. My name is Maribel. If you don't know, I am the transition specialist, counselor here at Merced Adult School. And I want to take this time to, as we have revolving students all the time, every month, new students, repeating myself over and over again was a chore and not good for my vocal cords. So I thought I'd create a video so maybe use it as a reference and email it to the teacher so that you guys can get this video. So I wanted to take this time and let you know a few things. I wanted to know what services I provide, as well as where I live, well, for work, at the Student Support Center, and also recruit for our Student Advisory Committee. So a little bit more about that. So I have about 15 minutes, as that's all that's given for free for this technology that I'm using for videos. So one of the big things that I am in charge of is to create plans, educational plans, or plans for students who are coming here and what they want to do after. The transition specialist, how to transition out of here, because I'm sure all you guys are here to either get a job or go to college to eventually get a job and focus on a career. So my job is to help you figure out what your goals are, short term or long term, what your challenges may be, and how we can help support you as all staff. We might not have all the services here, but we can help you get connected to support or resources. And so I will be creating individual learning plans right now. We're going to focus on our ABE group, but of course anyone is more than welcome to meet with me and create a plan. Sometimes it's good, just like going to the gym and you have a trainer, so it holds you accountable for your goals and pushes you and motivates you throughout your time here. So that is one of the big roles. But at the same time, just know that you're more than welcome to come talk to me about anything and everything. Remember that anything you talk to me about is kept confidential unless there's 3 reasons. One of the reasons is if you're in danger to yourself, or danger to others, or you talk about elderly, the 60 and older, or the child abuse. And because our job is to make sure you're safe, so we have to make sure we take precautions as we're held accountable. Other than that, you're more than welcome to come and talk to me about anything and everything. I am in my office right now, so as you see, that's a little messy. I'm working on it, and that's why I'm here also. So I would either help you how to transition from program to program. So if you start an ESL, how to go to ABE, PhD to high school or GED, and other options that we have, because we have other options. And I'm sure you don't remember everything from the orientation, so that's why. Maybe employment, I help a lot with resume building, how to interview. We do have our job developer right now who can help you more with soft skills and has a really great program for interviewing skills, and also a great program for building your resume, which I'm going to work on this year to help also with it. But I can help you with some of that as well, and then transition you, if you like, to this person. He works for the whole county. And then one big thing also that we focus on is college. So we focus on transitioning to Merced College, and I work part-time, only a few hours a week there, so I'm kind of aware, and I attend the weekly counselor meetings to see any changes to help really help our students transition from here. And and we do have normal annual trips, or actually twice a year. Every semester we do have visits to the college, and we have workshops to help you transition to college or just know about college, education on college. So I do workshops on that. But I also can help you with career exploration. So that's an option. If you're not sure what you're wanting to do when you grow up, trust me, I'm still working on it. You can always change that. I can help you as well. Personal counseling, I do some short-term counseling. Sometimes our students need more intense, and so that may have to be referred out to an actual therapist for mental health. But if you do need someone to just kind of get you back on track, and just a sounding board and that support, the positive, that's what I'm here for. So sometimes people go through grief and maybe relational problems, personal things, that's what I'm here. I'm here for that emotional support. I do have a list of resources, and if I don't know any of the resources you need, I can give you referrals and find referrals for you. Pretty much, all that stuff. So just the little things, anything kind of, people have come to me for other reasons, so I might not know all the answers, but I'll definitely make sure that you get connected, okay? I work here Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. On Tuesdays and Thursdays when I go to the college. So in the middle of the day, I leave. So I'm here mostly in the mornings from 8:30 to 12:30, and then I'd be at the college for the middle of the day. And then I come back for the evening students from 4:30 to 8:30. So, and that's kind of like a rough idea this semester. Oops, sorry. And also, one thing that I am in charge of, I'm this student advisor, and so we plan events, and it's great, it's fun. We meet twice a month, every other week. Each class, there's about 6-7 classes that need to be represented. I need your support because this is an opportunity for you to advocate for yourself. It's an opportunity for you to have a voice if you have any concerns, and or any ideas of how to make this campus better, or to help you and your needs or of your classmates. So it's usually really beneficial because you learn leadership skills, and if you commit enough to this advisory committee, then I'm willing to give you a letter of recommendation and be a reference, but only, of course, with a commitment. Like right now, last semester in the winter, more like fall winter, we did have a couple fundraisers, events. One of the big ones that we have is our annual talent show. This year we'll have another fundraiser, maybe in the more food, and our final fundraiser before we have our trip, our annual educational trip. And I need help from all you guys to plan this, because it happens right before graduation. So it is a great opportunity to have fun, and not just be work. And you kind of create the ambiance here, a good climate around, and you get to meet other people, network. So I am recruiting. We have some students now, but we always get new students, so I'm more than willing to take even more students, at least one per class. So if you're really interested, let me know, or just let your teacher know, and then whenever I'll make announcements, there'll be emails, or our principal will make announcements too, and to remind of the meeting. So our first meeting is gonna be next week, which is January 14th at 10:30, the Student Advisory Center. I would like to talk more about what we have here, but also and show it, but it needs organizing, and that's where I need your help. We've had a lot of clothes donated and food. We had a food drive last semester that went really well. We have a lot of food that we need to organize, and we got books too, so we're wanting to start a library, which I'm getting that organized as well. So I will need your help. If you got some organizing skills, let me know, or let your teacher know, so let me know, so then I can you can definitely volunteer here and help out. So then we'll eventually have maybe pictures and a little tour. So we will have a small little event to get things declutter a little bit. I'm looking at a winter cleaning to organize things better here and make it more student friendly, as we have workshops here in the Student Support Center, which, if you don't know where it is right next to the front office, and it says Student Support Center. There's a yellow ramp. And we have workshops here. We have our meetings here. And then I help people with registering for college. I've helped 3 to 4 people at a time, which we have 4 computers for that, or even apply for jobs and stuff here. So please do not hesitate. I did want to show you a little bit just of what we have. If I can get this to work. Technical difficulties. Where is it? Dang it, I cannot switch. I thought I could switch. I wanted to show you. You can call me at 325-2809. That's 209. Or you can text me at 209-764-5102. Again, I'm Maribel Palacios, a transition specialist, counselor. And you can also email me, which is the best one, at M as my Maribel Palacios, Palacios, at MUHSD, which is Merced Union High School District.org. And like I said, you can find me at the Student Support Center. If I'm not there, please send me an email. But that's it. I think that was it. So I wanted to let you know about everything that I can offer, and there's not limited to that. I can support you in any way. My job is to advocate for you, what you need, to help you succeed here and reach your goals, educational, personal, for your career. That's what I enjoy doing, and hopefully continue enjoying this. So let's look forward to this year, this semester, at least the spring 2020, and let me know if you're interested in joining our Student Support Center. Remember, our first meeting is Tuesday, January 14th, here at the Student Support Center from 10:30 to 11:30. Make sure you let your teacher know, and so when the email is sent, you'll be sent here. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.